So it's day 11 and I'm just had a few hair washes to try and get this dead skin off. I've just washed my hair 3 times. I think I'll call that a night. I'll probably do a few more washes in the morning. I haven't noticed any grass come out, but I am definitely shitting myself by doing this. The top of the head feels quite sensitive. So yeah, I've just done a few washes and I've just been doing little circular movements. Yeah. So I'll try again tomorrow morning, see if I can get it all off tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, the next few days. Hopefully all this will be off. I'm very tentative to do it because it's scary business. So that is it for tonight. Laters. I think one more session tonight, and hopefully I'll be able to get all those little bits out. So it's wet currently, which is why it's very pronounced. I got some of the old shampoo though in the eye. It tells you definitely don't make sure you don't get any in your eyes. I definitely got some in my eyes, and I would definitely recommend don't get any in the eyes. It stings like a bitch. But you can see all these little hairs, they are there, they are growing.